Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to insert image. So as example, you can create new design and click OK. Now if you want to insert image, you can go to assembly, click file in part option, and you can change for the extension file into image file. Now you can open your image, like example, I will use this image, click open, and then I will click in the axis to insert the image. So it will be automatically insert the image in Ansys Spaceclaim. Okay, that's it for a basic tutorial. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.